What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Ka jing siew ka bakot haduh news pak klur tingkah kadang sahteng ban siew na kabenta ki projek jong ka jal jivan mission JJM ha Meghalaya. Haba pentip ya kani ha ka arploy terik nailur Menteri Keterangan Public Health Engineering PHE Marcus and Marak Ulaong. Ha ka bayade bat ki jing siew ngin dang hab ban siew sa kumbah news pak klur tingkah ka badang sahteng. Henry ula pensyai bakani kamdei setia namar ke jingbom le jong ke sorkar. Henry ka dei namar ke jing penslam ha ka rukom penyat yaki kam na kaliang ke sorkar pedeng. Kamdei setia namar jong ke sorkar jela. Henry ka dei namar jong ke sorkar India namar ki don katuk ni ki kendon trekam. Ka sorkar India ka don kam ban shim ya ka rai namar bala bu thong ha ka lai pui terik leber arhajar arpusau bat hadian ka ni ka sorkar India kampat shemla shim ya kanu rai ong umarak haba penbena baka sorkar India kala penjelan ya ka jing pentrikam ya ka JJM haduh usnam arajar arhupra. Menteri ula kularu baya ka pisa ka bala baha on sa penlai cha ke jela hadian bala pendep ya ka jingle audit kaban plilat ban yo siuno ya ka pisa syaki kontraktor. Kumta menta ke sorkar India ka hak ban pelat ya ka pisa ka balamang na ka benta ka tenat jal syakti. Bat kat kum ka jing betha jong ka tenat pelatingka ka rukom le ya ka audit. Baya day bat ka tenat jal syakti bat shisien bala pendep ya ka jing le audit on sa pelat ya ka pisa syaka jela. Bat maria pelat ya ka pisa on sedang no ya ka jing siu ulaong. Marak ula kubur ba ka jing sahteng ka jing siew kala kata ya ka jing pentre haki katuk ni ki projek ha ka baki kontraktor ki bala bor kila beteng ki kam kat baki weipat kila hab ban pensange ya ki kam namar ka jing kerdu pisa. Ula penpau ya ka jing sngotu halor ka jing ki baki kontraktor ki ya kendu bat kular baki la shim ya ki sinjam kenang ban la ban penbet no kam koloi ya ka ni kaman.
I have given statement in the assembly that new Greater Shillong water supply scheme percentage is already around 70+%. We'll be able to achieve this by next March, and we'll be able to commission, I mean to say. So hopefully it should we should be able to commission Greater Shillong water supply scheme by March next. And new Shillong water supply scheme, we were stuck up with land acquisition, but now everything has been sorted out. Full swing construction will be starting very soon once the working season starts. In terms of payment, yes, we are yet to pay almost 700 crores of pending payments are there. It is not because of the state government, it is because of the government of India. Some procedures are there. Government of India needs to take a decision because the targets were set for 31st March 2024. After that, Government of India has not taken any decisions. Very recently, this year only, in the month of February, they have extended the Jal Jeevan Mission to 2028. So therefore now, the Government of India has to release the money, which they have already earmarked for the Jal Shakti Ministry. And as per the finance ministry's mandate, the kind of audit that is being conducted with the Jal Shakti Ministry. Once the audit is completed, the money will be released to the states, and once the monies are released, the payment will start. Yeah, to a certain percentage, but the contractors, those are capable, they are carrying on. But the contractors, those are awaiting the payments, they have halted the constructions. We understand the kind of hardship that they are facing, but soon we receive the money, payment will be released immediately.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry Priya, sorry Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.